exposing the truth behind why your Instagram account isn't growing. You've been putting in the effort, posting regularly, and even trying out different types of content, but the growth just isn't happening. It's frustrating, right? You're not alone. Many people face the same issue, and today, we're going to uncover the reasons behind this stagnation. This is going to blow your mind. The truth is, there are a few common mistakes that most people make when trying to grow their Instagram accounts. And the good news? They're all fixable. It's simple. Most Instagram accounts fail because they lack a solid strategy. Think about it. Would you start a business without a plan? Of course not. The same goes for your Instagram account. You need a clear strategy that outlines your goals, target audience, and the type of content you'll create. Without this, you're just shooting in the dark. But don't worry, I'm here to help you break through that barrier. First, consistency is key. Consistency doesn't just mean posting every day. It means showing up for your audience regularly and providing them with valuable content. This builds trust and keeps your followers engaged. Post regularly, but make sure it's quality over quantity. High-quality content is what sets you apart from the millions of other accounts out there. Invest time in creating visually appealing posts, and don't be afraid to experiment with different formats like videos, carousels, and stories. Engage with your followers, reply to comments like their posts, and create a community. Second, use hashtags wisely. Engagement is a two-way street. The more you interact with your followers, the more likely they are to engage with your content. This boosts your visibility and helps you build a loyal community. Not just any hashtag, but ones that are relevant to your niche and popular enough to get noticed. Third, collaboration is gold. Hashtags are like the SEO of Instagram. They help people discover your content, but it's important to use a mix of popular and niche-specific hashtags to reach a broader audience. Work with other influencers, cross-promote, and tap into each other's audiences. Collaborations can give you access to a whole new audience. Partner with influencers or brands that align with your values and create content that benefits both parties. Now let's talk about ScaleUp.com. This platform is designed to help you grow your Instagram account by providing you with the tools and resources you need to succeed. From analytics to content creation tips, ScaleUp.com has it all. It's a game changer for content creators and business owners. Imagine having a one-stop shop for all your Instagram growth needs. That's what ScaleUp.com offers. It's like having a personal coach guiding you every step of the way. They help you drive real traffic and gain genuine followers fast. No more wasting time on ineffective strategies. With ScaleUp.com, you'll see real results in no time. Want more tips and tricks? There's always more to learn when it comes to Instagram growth. Stay curious and keep experimenting with new strategies. Check the comment section for details and a special link to ScaleUp.com. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your Instagram game to the next level. Remember, the key to growth is strategy, engagement, and a little help from the right resources. Happy Instagramming! With the right approach and tools, your Instagram account can grow beyond your wildest dreams. So get out there and start implementing these tips today.